Greeting viewers. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to type a program to print the number of words in a sentence given as input. Well, as always, you can pause the video here and give it a try. So let us get started. First of all, we will write the basic code, that is str1 equal to input bracket enter any sentence bracket close. Now we define a variable named c which will be equal to 0. This variable will help us in counting the number of words. Now for I in str1 colon. If I is double equal to double quotes which have space as an element. C equal to c plus 1. Now to print the number of words we write print the number of words in the sentence. Quotes close comma. C plus 1. So this is counting the number of spaces in the sentence. So now if we type good morning, then the output is 2 since there are 2 words good and morning. Now if we again type Python is easy to learn. So this time the output is 5. Well, the program works perfectly. So if you liked the video, then appreciate it by giving it a thumbs up. If you are new, then subscribe to the channel. Also share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.